In Designs.ai, you can generate professional, on-brand images in minutes, perfect for marketing campaigns, sales presentations, and even internal communications. The workflow is simple. Describe what you need, choose a model, and generate. Designs.ai gives you access to multiple image models, so the same prompt can produce different styles and levels of detail depending on what you select. Let's generate a visual asset for our example brand, Mutt Munch, a vegan dog food brand. The key to consistent results is being specific about subject, setting, brand vibe, colors, and what to avoid. Now, pick a model and generate. If you switch models and run the exact same prompt, you'll often see different strengths. One might look more photographic, another might lean more stylized. The quickest way to find your fit is generate, compare, switch, regenerate. If you're not sure what to make next, browse templates. They're great for discovering proven layouts and visual directions. Pick one, then tweak the prompt, swap the setting, lock your palette, and keep the brand vibe consistent. That's how you get an endless stream of on-brand assets without starting from zero. Experiment with models, find your style, and bring your brand to life with Designs.ai.